Understanding wall construction, solid walls versus dry line walls. Hello and welcome back to Bright Spark. In this video we're explaining the fundamental difference between solid walls and dry line walls, because understanding your wall type is absolutely critical when you're planning to add new electrical sockets or switches to your home. Let's start with solid walls. Solid walls are exactly what they sound like. A single continuous layer of brick, stone or block with no cavity running through them. They're common in older properties built decades ago, but they're also used in modern construction today. However, many contemporary properties also have cavity wall construction, where you've got brick on the outside and blockwork on the inside. Now, here's the important bit. Even though there's a cavity between those layers, we're not allowed by law to run electrical cables through it, according to the building regulations. So for our purposes, we're going to talk about solid walls. We mean any wall where cables cannot be routed through the cavity. The practical implication is straightforward. If you want to add a socket or a switch on a solid wall away from the safe zones, the wall has to be chased out. That means cutting a groove into the plaster and masonry, laying the cable in that groove, protecting it with conduit, and then making good, replastering and decorating. Now let's look at dry lined walls. These are our more modern construction methods where a timber or metal frame is built away from the wall surface. Then plasterboard is fixed to that frame. This creates a hollow cavity between the plasterboard and the wall. And crucially, cables can be routed through this cavity. Dry line walls can be applied to external walls for insulation, but they're also commonly used for internal walls and partition walls throughout a property. The big advantage is that you can thread cables through the cavity without too much chasing, which means no cutting, no dust, no mess, no need for major replastering or decorating. So which is better for adding electrical outlets? Dry line walls are generally simpler, quicker and less disruptive. Solid walls require more work, more time, even more cost. But here's the thing. Both types require a qualified electrician who understands buildings, who understands the building regulations and knows how to route cables safely and in compliance with BS 7671. At Bright Spark, we work with both wall types every day. We'll assess your specific walls, advise you on the best approach and carry out the work to the highest standards. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has been of help and interest to you. Please like and subscribe to our video channel and also hit that little notification bell so that you are notified the next time we record another video. If you'd like further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.